Imanje uSimon Fankomo iqale yachaza kabanzi ngokutholwe inkantolo ukuthi kunobufakazi bokuthi abanye abasolwa bengekho ngesikhathi kwenzeka lesigameko. Ngokubheka kwamacala ithola ukuthi leli cala alikho sesigabeni sesithupha selingaphansi kwesigaba sesihlanu.
The court then, after having considered the evidence and in entirety, the court then finds at this stage that there are no basis to find that common purpose is applicable as is envisaged in the bail legislation, being the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977. Wherefore, the court finds that the charges in the case are falling within the ambit of Schedule 5.
Uma isithula isinqumo sebhayili imanje ithe umthetho sisekelo uthi wonke umsolo unelungelo lokuthola ibhayili. Uthi inkantolo kufanele ithole ukuthi kwenzekani ukuze ithole amaqiniso bese iyawacubungulisisa bese ikhipha isinqumo.
The court rules that the applicants have been able to discharge of their honors to demonstrate to the court that it is in the interest of justice that they be released on bail, that their bail application is successful, and therefore bail is granted.
Umlendo kaCoka uthi awenemeneze ngokudedelwa kwabasolwa ngebhayili njengoba bazizwa bengaphephile basaba ukuthi bazophinde bahlaselwe. Uthi lezi zelamani bekuyizo ezondla umndeni.
Asikho happy, asikho safety kakhulu ngalabelungu. Labelungu bazovele bas-attack. Abawona ama-amisha kulento le abayenzayo lokubulala abantu vele into yabo ababulalisa nje iwenyamazana. Uyena vele bebasiza kakhulu bona bebenza yonke into. Bona vele bebangama breadwinner ekhaya.
Umholi we-EFF eMpumalanga uCollins Edibe uthi bengafanele ukuthi labasolwa bathole ibhayili.
Khathazeke kakhulu ngesinqumo senkantolo namhlanje. Kodwa ke sinethemba ukuthi ikhotho lizayidlala inzima yalo ekutheni ekugcineni labasolwa bathola isigwebo esifanele.
Owokuqala wazisa abezindaba ngalolu daba uthi lesi sinqumo sikhombisa ngokusobala ukuthi abantu abamnyama basangaphansi kwencindezi.
Abahlali basepulazini abakajabulile ngalesimo sokuthi bathole ibhayili ngoba isimo asisihle laphana epulazini.
Umphakathi uthukuthele ugano unwabo ngesinqumo senkantolo. Kusenjalo abasolwa kanye nabameli babo banqabile ukuphawula emva kwesinqumo senkantolo.